Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add an edge between two vertices in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube, so we can go to Add Mesh and add a cube here, to Subtle Fill, and then we can select the cube and go to Edit Mode. Make sure that we select Vertex Selection, and then we can click and drag to select one vertex, and then we can use Shift and click and drag to select another vertex. So we have two vertices are selected. Now we can go to press F to add edge between two vertices. But if we switch to face selection and select the face, we can see that the face is not splitted. If you want to split the face by adding the edge, we can use alternative way. I press Ctrl Z to undo it first. So we select two vertices and then we can press J to add edge on the geometry. So we can select the face selection again and select the face. We can see that the edge is added and splits the face into two. Actually, we can find the same option in the vertex, and then we can find F to add new edges, and we can find J to collect vertex paths by splitting the face. So this is how we can add an edge between two vertices in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.